Hey guys, so today is day 7. It is officially the end of my 7-day consistent upload challenge. First of all, I'm very proud of myself that I was able to upload content to YouTube every day for the past 7 days. It was definitely not my most enjoyable thing, but it also wasn't my most unenjoyable thing either. So today I had a really wonderful opportunity to hold a workshop for a group of professional women. And so during that workshop, one of the things that we talked about was just how we show up for ourselves in the spaces that we occupy, knowing our strengths and our weaknesses or learning opportunities. And just how we navigated those spaces, and how our strengths really kind of play into how we show up professionally, how we kind of broker new business for our companies and things like that. This challenge for me was one of those opportunities, right? For me, it was like a learning opportunity because, again, like I said in my previous video, I'm not a vlogger. I definitely don't think that my life is that interesting to the point that I need to be uploading some kind of vlog content every day. That's really not, that's not my lane. But what it taught me, I think the big lesson that I'm walking away from this is I know what I enjoy from a social media and a content perspective. I know that I enjoy content that teaches or inspires or answers a question for someone. I enjoy making content that hopefully will someone can learn from my experiences and be encouraged by the outcomes. That's the kind of content that I enjoy. I like to be able to plan that out. I have said it before, I am a planner. I like to be able to organize my thoughts and know what the heck I'm talking about. The whole freestyle thing is just not my jam. However, I have had fun trying to spontaneously come up with things to talk about because I know that I need to do something every day. This was fun, just pushing myself kind of outside of what my normal comfort levels are. So I think I am going to return to my normal upload schedule. But even in that, this 7-day challenge has really pushed me to just recognizing how I upload, right? Because again, this was all about me being able to be consistent around my posting to YouTube. So I like posting my weekly videos. I realize that I don't have to have, long form doesn't have to be super long. I think being able to tell a really good story and getting the message out in 6 minutes or less can be cool. I can do that. And if it needs to be a little bit longer, that is fine too. I think the biggest thing is that it just doesn't have to be so complicated. I feel like sometimes not you, just me. I feel like sometimes I overthink, and because I am an overthinker, because I'm a planner, because the details matter to me, I think sometimes it's so easy to get lost in that. So that's kind of where I am with my 7-day challenge. If you've watched it, if you've seen any bit of it, if you've seen any one of the videos, if you need to be more consistent yourself, if you are wanting to post more, if you're wanting to maybe change how your YouTube channel exists today, if you were niched but you realize you want to talk about other things or share other, aspects of your life or your experiences, I would just say do it. Just go with it. I don't think there's a right or a wrong way to do it. And I feel like before going into this, I felt like there was a right and a wrong way to do it. And people will tell you that, you should or you shouldn't do whatever. That's not why I'm here. I think you should just do it. until it feels comfortable, until you're having fun, until it's not complicated. And then, take it from there. So that's what I've learned. I'm going to continue posting. I'm going to continue showing up as I do. I'm somebody who likes to share information. I like to share solutions and offer results. And sometimes I think I'm funny and I'll tell a mom joke or two. So that's how I'm going to show up. So if you enjoy that kind of content that's informational, that helps you to develop and to grow, and every once in a while I'll share something vlog-esque, then please subscribe, stick around, like the video, and leave me a comment, and I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching, y'all.
More than good, kinda great, but even on the bad days, I think